Hello everyone. So you just change your valve cover gasket, you put everything back together and now the engine won't start. So what you need to do in this situation is you need to make sure that this is plugged in and the one back here is plugged in. Also this is plugged in, this is plugged in and this is plugged in. If everything is plugged in and the car still won't start, what you need to do is this. You need to take off again this intake. You unscrew it from here, here, and the screws around here. You pry it out of the way. You don't have to take it off all the way, just make sure you can access these things. After you took this out of the way, you unscrew this connector here, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I think is a 17 key. You unscrew it so you can unscrew it with your fingers, and after all these are screwed, you go back in the car, you turn the key to start the car, and you crank it for about 2 or 3 minutes. You should be seeing diesel coming out of this pipe, this one. You need to see diesel coming out of each and every one of these pipes. After you see diesel coming out of this, you tighten this back up, this one. You put the intake back together, you screw it here, and the car will start after that. It will take another 30 tries, but it should be done.